Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads on Shopify. The process is going to be very easy. So we are going to integrate our Facebook page or our Facebook account or ad account to our Shopify store, and that is going to be very simple in just a few seconds by searching for a certain app called Facebook and Instagram. So you're going to type in Facebook on the search bar of your header on your Shopify store admin dashboard, of course, after you've got the access. And then we're going to see this. This is the official app of Meta. So we can go ahead and search for it into the App Store in case you're not going to see it, and this is the specific search. So this is the app that we are going to seek for. Click on here, then we are going to install it real quick. Then you are going to link the account that you have on Facebook. So we are going to click on install. This is the first step. So basically we are going to put a connection between the two accounts real quick, and we are going to wait for it. So basically, we are going to pin the app to the navigation. Now we are going to click on Get Started. Then we are going to connect our account. Click on Connect Account. It will normally detect the account that has been connected to the navigator. Normally, you're going to see the photo of the account and also the name of it, and it is the same name. So basically, this is it. So we are going to click on connect as this account, and also we are going to agree for the other parameters if demanded. Now here we have the business portfolio. Either you are going to have a business portfolio created, for example, for a catalog of products that has been added. For example, I have here some of the catalogs created before because I connected so many Shopify stores to my Facebook account. You can go ahead and connect the business portfolio that owns the products or the catalogs that you have, or you can go ahead and create a new one, and that catalog is going to be based on the preferences of collecting or gathering data. So, what is the gathering data in here? Basically, if you are going to let Facebook be connected to your Shopify store, that means that you're going to let the metrics of Facebook or the algorithm, like the pixels and data collectors, the resources, I mean by that, to gather or collect the data that has been overflowing your store on Shopify, and also relate them to the post and also the ads that you have created in the ads or Facebook ads. So you are going to get here a precise metric and also some calculation and analytics that will allow the pixel of Facebook to have a particular, let's say, setup and get or generate some uh, high quality leads that will get you some sales. Now you have the conservative data, the enhanced data, as you can see, and the maximum. Each one of the personalized or details of that preference is going to be resumed or let's say summarized in the data or the details in here. So you're going to see everything in here. So basically you're going to get all of the standards plus here's some customer name, email, phone numbers, and addresses. So it is going to be highly recommended to either put it on the enhanced or the maximum because these are going to be very beneficial for your future ads or campaigns. Now, for the data sharing, you're going to have here a metapixel. So basically, you are going to either create a metapixel or get your pixel installed. So you can go ahead and install or connect a pixel, and it will be having the new business pixel that you have set for data sharing, and then you are going to confirm it. Now, all you need to do is to click on I agree for the product arrangement or catalog term and meta business tool terms, and click on submit for review. And with a few seconds, it is going to start finalizing the channel setup for your Facebook in here, and then it is going to give you the permission to set up the products. So you're going to get your store synchronized within the Facebook store that you have. And of course, you can go ahead and run ads on Facebook and Instagram by clicking on this specific button. So you're going to click on create ad, and here we have two type of ads. Either you are going to create a standard ad by creating, for example, lead ad by setting up some photos, or we can have the other type of the ad, which is going to be the video ads. So the ad is going to be here, let's say, composed in a campaign, and that campaign is going to have ad set and also ads, and the ads are going to be the result of the ad sets. Now, if you're going to create a campaign, you're going to click on create on the green button in here. Basically, if you have already a Facebook ad account, it is going to be a blast, and also it is going to be very easy to set up the things in here. And if it is going to be the first time that you're going to use the Facebook ads, you are going to be required to open up a page, have a page, I mean by that. Then you're going to create your business account or the Meta Business Suite account, and with that, you are going to get the access to the Google, or not the Google, but the Facebook ads from here. And then you're going to set up the payment method, get yourself a pixel, and install it into your website. Basically, that was all for that specific area. Now, let's create a test ad. Here we are going to click on create. We're going to see the buy-in type. So you're going to create a campaign or a whole campaign. So the buy-in type is going to be already or always auction. So you're going to choose one of the objectives that we have here. Basically, we have six. We have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. The app promotion is not going to be in our favor because it is going to be promoting some apps to be installed. And this is not our goal. The sales, the leads, and the traffic are going to be the main our objective or goals for us, because these are going to have the leads to make some sales, and the awareness, the engagement are going to be the let's say the complementary actions that will help our Facebook page to be growing and getting some more interactions. So remember, you're going to have either engagement, not engagement, but here we have traffic, leads, and sales. So if we are going to set up a website, we need only traffic, leads, and sales. So in my case, I'll go ahead with leads and click on continue because it is going to be the, let's say, more convenient for me. So we're going to use the campaign setup, which is going to be the recommended setting. I'm going to click on continue, and we are going to see here all the steps. So here we have the campaign. We can put a name for that campaign, for example, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can categorize our ad. But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to let it as standard as possible. For the categories, if you have a category applied, you can go ahead and choose that, but preferably you're going to put it like this. You're going to put it empty. We have the advantage campaign budget plus. You can go ahead and activate that. So you're going to put the specific daily budget or the lifetime budget of that campaign. Go ahead and use that because it is going to be very beneficial for you. And also you can have the A/B test. I'm not going to be a pro user of A/B, so it is going basically here to have two versions of the same ad, but they are going to be different with the media that you're going to put, one with a video and one with a photo, for example, or two with different photos or videos, and they are going to be on the let's say the screen of the client or the customer that you have put on target, or the algorithm has put on target, of course, not us. And it is going to let them see all the two ads, and they are going to be selecting one of the ads if one of them are going to be interested and or interesting for them, and you are going to get a feedback that the, for example, the ad A is going to be more efficient than ad B. So you can go ahead and use the A ad or the B ad. Now, when you finish that, you're going to click on next. Here we are going to set up the ad set. We are going to put here test, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to set up the conversion. Where is the conversion location of our terminal is going to be? It is going to be, for example, Instant Forum, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, calls, whatever. But we are going to put here a website because we need only to sell our product. So here the performance goal, we are going to put it as maximize number of conversions. The data set is going to be the pixel that we have we set. The conversion event is going to be set up, for example, as you can see here, we have a lot of conversion. We have add to cart, view, and you can go ahead and set up one of these, but I'm not going to put it as I'm going to let it standard. So you can set up the conversion or the events in here, but I'm not going to set it because our Facebook knows what is it is going to be doing. Here we have the budget and also the start and end date again. So we have the audience control, so you can go ahead and edit your audience location. Also, the audience that you have. For example, you can have here some loaded audience. You can also learn about the advantage a plus audience if you are interested. But I'm going to let everything here standard, gender, all genders, age. I'm going to let it as broad as possible from 18 to plus 65. And here, if you're going to target some, for example, special uh, let's say audience, you can go ahead and set up these. But in my case, I will not use that because I will let only the algorithm learn. So it is going to be letting the pixel learn about the audience, and that is going to be the most advantageous thing from Facebook ads. So the algorithm or the pixel is going to be learning from people, and then you're going to have it. So for the placement, you can set up some placement. Now let's head over the ad itself. This is the ad. You can go ahead and put a name for that ad, like that ad, for example, one. And you can put the identity for the Facebook page, Instagram account. You can create an ad or use a existing post or use the Creative Hub mockup in Facebook. That is what is important of having a Facebook page created well. You can add some ad or set up the ad creatives, for example, for image ad, video ad, and we have some, let's say, specialized carousels that we can add in here, but it is not going to be for the objective of leads. So it is going to be another, let's say, video. So for destination, you have set that you are going to lead to a website, and that means that we are going to get the link of that product. For example, of Shopify, we're going to need a product and we're going to get the link of it. I'm going to preview that. Let's see if we can preview. As we can preview that, basically we are going to have this normally not on the preview, but we are going to have it in the store. So I'm going to get the whole link in here. So we're not going to make some mistakes. This is the full link. Boom. We're going to put the product just like here, and you're going to see the preview live in here. You can set up a display link. Also, you can add the browsers add-on like calling, messaging app, none, and you can add the button if you want. And for the languages, you can add your own translation or let the automatic translation put in here. And the tracking, you're going to let the pixel track the website event, and then you are going simply to click on publish, and here we have it. With that, we have set up the subject or the today's video subject, which is going to play in or run in Facebook ads for our Shopify store. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.